leg fell off. We have our first challenges.
Yeah,
done it.
strong challenger.
If you want. Take a seat. We make it so comfortable if you want. A bug into the studio. My goodness
He's
gracious.
the friend. The friend? He is not a friend to be eaten. He's Beaver's breakfast. The leftovers. Beaver's
What? Oh my god.
None of them are cute like the packaging one. No. Maybe the cutest one.
The cutest one.
There's salt in there though, right?
Yeah, it's supposed to be light, nice.
Oh, the bugs are mixed together now.
It's alive! They're alive! They're alive! Alrighty, let me put the Vegemite down. Feel free to help yourself. Vegemite. If you want, Hans, I'm gonna help you with the tarantula.
Okay.
She can dissect the tarantula for you.
You still haven't eaten your other half of the bug. Half. No, that's your bug. I have 2 bugs I haven't eaten yet though.
Yoisho. Alright, okay, here we go.
Let's go! Yeah! You can do it, baby! Yeah!
There's so much hair on it.
It'll be gone soon. The it's just a bit fuzzy. It's okay.
Okay, I'm gonna down in 3, 2, 1. Oh.
And?
Vegemite 美味しい.
Wait, that's it! Wait about the spider flavor, huh? Yeah. Because you have to go back for seconds then, huh? Yeah? It's too crunchy.